What up, friends and family? Today my grandma and I are going to teach you how we make pork adobo. Our secret method for this version is to fry the meat. For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients. 2 pounds of pork meat, choose a cut that has a lot of meat, up to you. Half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of white vinegar, a splash of Maggi sauce, 1 tablespoon of ground black peppercorn, 2 bay leaves, optional, chopped garlic leaves, 1/4 to half a cup of water, 1 bulb of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of salt.
Vinegar, and I have the soy sauce.
Alright.
I have mentioned. A tablespoon. A teaspoon of Maggi seasoning. This is already soaked in olive oil. That's why. Because when you don't use the garlic, it's better to put it in olive oil so it's ready to cook. Better to make it tender for like an hour.
Okay.
The longer, the better. Bay leaf. Who will do? See, that's my bay leaf plant.
It smells like garlic.
Yeah, I can put it in the
Bay leaves.
bay leaf. Right, oregano.
Your backyard. Wow, it smells delicious.
This is optional. We just went to the garden and you put the more. Right? Sorry. Very good. We didn't put water yet. Give me some hot water. Make it more tender, you know?
More tender.
More tender. I like a smaller.
This is the kind of boiling you want.
And then you can lower. Now, not too low yet, medium like that. And then leave it like that. Keep it boiling. The smaller it cooks faster because we're hungry. Then when you cover it with the
Medium heat. This smells so good, you guys. Wow.
When we were small, this is what we put in the rice. Then we eat without, and we have only a small amount of meat because we will divide it into 12.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
Yeah. So now what I will do, I will fry that maybe.
Alright.
Simmer. Actually, you can get a spoon and then try the soup. That's how you do it. Try it if the taste is good for you. So you're the one who will taste it. You don't depend on somebody's taste. Every one of us has different tastes, right?
Right.
So,
wow, looks delicious.
there's different ways of cooking. Not just looking at the recipe and the tip. It has to be like that all because it will not get red like that, it will still be in water.
Oh
So
yeah.
you have to fry it.
That was like only like 5 minutes of frying. Not bad.
Just to make it red. Yeah, brown. Brown the meat. You get all the taste. Put it back there. Like I told you, some people don't fry. They will not put any more the water that we put. Instead of water, it will get dry when after boiling several minutes.
Yeah.
And then when you put the coconut, that's the one that will taste better. You don't have to put water. Just plain without water, it's tastier. But because I want this to be tender and cook longer,
You added water.
yeah, small amount, a small cup, right? Like I told you, the way to a man's heart is through cooking.
Actually, the way to my heart.
So you're You're funny, you're like Dominic and you're cooking. Dominic, like, I'm looking for a guy who likes to cook for me. That's what I want. Well, actually, the two of you should know how to cook better. You know, the commercial cooking, they always use lots of fat from pork. Boil, 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 so it will become tender and it will absorb. Actually, if that's too much liquid, you can let it boil open.
Oh, okay.
It will, but if you are setting the liquid, you want the liquid to melt it. And then this is good to eat tomorrow.
Oh yeah, let it sit.
Yeah, let it sit in the sauce.
And that's it. Keep in mind there are many different ways to cook this dish depending on your personal preference as well as the region in the Philippines that you get your recipe from. Share how you make your version of pork adobo in the comments below. Thanks and see you next time.
I mean coconut milk. So good.
We're not gonna do
Yeah.
that?
No, you just add coconut. They can do that their own. Because that's what I did with your tita's friend. Your tita have lunch and then she had adobo. And she said, oh, my worker like the adobo. Also, can you make one for her? I make her one and then I put coconut milk. Oh, this tastes better! Of course with coconut milk. Coconut milk always good to have in food. Because I grew up in coconut milk in the Philippines. Back home in the Philippines, we just boil that and that's it. We eat it. And now I have a new one. When after boiling, just take it out and fry it. And you fry and then put it back there and then let it cook in the sauce. It's more tastier. I just love coconut. When my rich grandma is, she got lots of coconut trees and we get the young coconut, but we're hiding from her because she doesn't like us to get the young coconut.
Why? Because the young one tastes better?
No, the young one, she wanted to get older. The older, it's better because good for cooking.
Oh, you're
The
right.
young one, is the meat is only very, very thin.
Yeah.
But when we make it older, the meat is like this, thick.
Oh, yeah.
Then we cook it and then we get all the taste. And the coconut is always good.